Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I achieved this crochet style with feed-in braids. The hair that I'll be using for this style is from Trendy Tresses. It's their Goddess Curls in the color number 2. So this is what the hair looks like in the pack. The hair is very soft and it's in this wavy like texture. So I separated this hair into pretty small sections. Here I'm showing you a typical size that I use to install this hair. So for this style, I'm going to start in the back with crocheting this hair in. As you can see, I'm taking these small pieces and I'm going to knot the hair about 3 or 4 times to secure it to my cornrows. I'm going to repeat this process until I achieve my desired fullness. So this is what my hair looks like after I installed one full pack. As you can see, this hair has a lot of volume and coverage for just one pack of hair, which I love a lot. Now I'm moving on to the front of my hair where I'll be doing 4 feed-in braids. So here I'm showing you my first braid, and I basically just used some edge wax and some shining jam to do these braids. I'm not really an expert at feed-in braids, but basically I'll just be feeding in a few pieces of hair just to thicken up my braids a bit. So I also fed in some of the Goddess Curls hair into the bottom of my braid just so that my braids could match the back of my hair. Then I just secured the end of the braid with a rubber band. So I just repeated this same process on the other side of my head, and this is how it turned out. As you can see, I have the curls at the end of each of my braids. Now that the front of my hair is done, I'm going to continue crocheting the Goddess Curls into my braids until I get the fullness that I want. So I ended up using about a pack and a half for this style. Here I'm also going to show you that I crocheted some of the hair onto my braids as well, just to give it a more cohesive look. Alright guys, so here is my final results. I really love the way that this turned out. This hair was easy to install and the hair is really soft. Thanks again to Trendy Tresses for sponsoring this video. All information about this hair will be linked below in the description box. Comment down below and let me know what you think of this hair and this style. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll see you guys next time.